morning, students. Today we are going to discuss drilling methods, percussive method of drilling, and different tools used in drilling methods. On completion of this period, you are able to know what is percussive boring, different boring tools or drilling tools used during drilling. In the last class, we discussed the classification of boring methods. Boring methods are two types. One is percussive method, another one is rotary method of drilling. In percussive method of drilling, the hole is cut by percussive motion by giving up and down striking. In rotary method of drilling, the hole is cut by rotary motion. In classification, percussive method of boring or drilling again classified as drilling by rigid rods, drilling by rope cable drilling, rope drilling, cable drilling, churn drilling. These three are the synonyms for rope drilling. If to transfer the power from the engine to the drill bit is by means of rods, then it is called drilling by rigid rods. If the rope is used to transfer the power from top to the bottom of the drill bit. Again, percussive method of drilling is done by manual method or mechanized method. If the men are only in the means of making the hole without adding any mechanical devices or engine is called manual boring. If the engine is used to complete the drilling, then it is called mechanized drilling. In rotary method of drilling, there are four types of drilling is there, depending upon the drill bit used at the cutting end. Always the drill bit is used at the cutting point or ground touching point. Different drill bits are used. In case of rotary method of drilling, diamond drilling is very popular drilling. Another one is sawtooth cutter drilling, tricone rock roller drilling, chill shot drilling. In diamond method of drilling, a hollow shell of drill bit, at the end of the drill bit, the diamonds are attached by metallurgical process. The rotary motion will be given to the drill bit by means of drill rods. Again, drill rods will get the power by means of engine. In sawtooth cutter drilling, the cutting end looks like a saw. In tricone rock roller drilling, the drill bit, there are three cones are there. In chill shot drilling, the drill bit is of chilled shot. This is the classification of boring or drilling. In percussive manual method, a tripod will be there. Tripod is nothing but 3 or 4 legs of either wood or iron will be jointed, and rope will be taken from the top of the 3 legs. One end of the rope or a drill rod is attached. At the end of the drill rod, the drill bit is used. 3 or 4 persons simply they pull the rope and leave it. It always strikes the ground at the same point. Due to the weight of the drill bit and drill rods attached to it, hole is formed. For up to 15 to 20 meters, the percussive manual method is useful, and as all of you know that percussive manual drilling is very common in the areas of along the banks of river Godavari, near in Telangana and Warangal, Karimnagar, Adilabad. After forming the hole up to 20 to 30 meters, water will get the farmers. The percussive manual method application is hole up to 150 meters 150 mm dia. If the diameter of the hole is more, what happens? The drill bit will be more. So by manual method of drilling, we cannot make more than 150 mm diameter holes. If you see the depth of the hole, is nearly 30 meters. 30 meters. Beyond that, the people cannot pull the drill bit along with the drill rods attached to it. The weight of the entire drill bit and rods is more. So nobody human with manual method of drilling, people cannot drill more than 30 meters of the depth. If it is more than 30 meters of the depth, the attached rods will be very so many high. Generally, the drill rods are 1.2 to 3 meters length. If 3 meter length, 10 rods are necessary to dig the 30 meter depth holes. If it is more than 30 meter depth, we have to attach more than 10 rods. So the pulling strength of human manual means 3 or 4 members is not enough to pull the drill rods attached one another. So the limiting depth for percussive manual method is 30 meters only. 30 meters only, because the drill bits are not having hollow shape. That's why you cannot get the core. Core is nothing but a solid mass of stratum of mass of rock which is obtained during drilling with the help of hollow drill bits. If you rotate the drill bit with the hollow shape on the floor, what happens? A hole is formed. The center of the hole, a solid mass of rock mass is left. That rock mass is called core. Because the percussive manual method of drilling, because it has not, the drill bit is not having a hollow hole, that's why we cannot get the core. Whenever the core is necessary during drilling, this method is not applicable. So to get the core, diamond method of drilling with hollow drill rods, in rotary method of drilling only possible. In case of percussive drilling with rods, application up to 150 mm to 300 mm diameter, depth of holes up to 100 meters without cores. In case of 150 to 30 meters, drill rods are not attached. Drill rods are not attached each other. Only by means of rope only they dig the 30-meter depth holes. Because of the less strength, less heaviness of the drill bit, it will not go beyond 30 meters. In case of drilling with rods, the application, the minimum diameter of the hole, for various purposes various diameter of holes are required. In case of explosives, for blasting, 35 mm diameter holes are used. For various purposes, for stowing purposes, you need to have high diameter, big diameter holes. In percussive method with rods, it is used up to 150 mm to 300 mm diameter. Depth of the holes of 100 meters. Here also we cannot get the cores because of percussive motion of the drill bit. The core will become will become sludge. So percussive rope drilling applications, depth up to 300 meters without cores. Cores you will not get in entire percussive method of drilling. You will not get any core. You will not get any core. Percussive method of percussive drilling, this is the oldest method. This is the oldest method. Hole is drilled by up and down motion or strikings. This method is applicable shallow and vertical downward drills. Core of the strata cannot be obtained with this method. Because it is because of to and fro motion. Generally downward holes, it is suitable for downward holes only. If you want to get cores, core is not possible in percussive method of drilling. tools and accessories. Different tools and accessories are required to complete the boring. Here we are going to discuss the various tools used in various tools and accessories used for drilling. Different nearly 14-15 accessories and tools are required to complete the drilling. The utmost and important one is drill bit. Drill bit is the main thing. It can be chosen for various purposes. It depends upon the purpose what we are drilling, what we want to drill. Drill rods are the means of transferring from derrick and tripod, hand winch and power winch, or power winch, bulldog safety clamp, retaining key, brace head and pair of handles, water swivel, sludger, stirrup, cross put, rocking lever and walking beam, reciprocating pump with settling tanks are needed. To complete the drilling, different accessories are required. If you see the drill bits are used in percussive method of two types. Augers. If you see augers, as everybody knows the auger, this is clay auger and worm auger. These are used for soft and clay natured rocks. Here, these two are augers. These two are augers. This one is clay auger. This is worm auger. Augers are used whenever the clay is needed to extract, or a drill holes are needed to form in the clay on soft ground. Clay, as already everybody knows, that clay is a gum soil. It will not easily come out. Because of this reason, the augers used, if you take worm auger, this is looking like helical shape. Its shape is helical shape. This is nothing but a twisted blade. If it rotated into the ground, what happens? The clay present or the clay arrived during the drilling or during the penetration of this auger, the clay will come out. Due to the extrusion action or conveyor action, the clay will come on to the surface through the path. This is worm auger. This is clay auger. In clay auger, the soil will come into the hollow portion of this pit, and this will be bring to the surface and it will be emptied. whenever the soft rock is soft, wherever the drilled hole in the area of soft rock, the augers are used. In Krishna district, most of the places, the augers are clay auger and worm augers are used in the soft and clay natured ground because of its sticky nature. Because of the sticky nature of the soil will not come out. That's why these type of augers are used. The second type of drill bits are chisels. There are different type of chisels are there. Straight chisel, V chisel, T chisel, X chisel. This is straight chisel. This is straight chisel. This is V chisel. This is T chisel or X chisel. Another type of chisel is X chisel. The last portion of the bit is in straight. It looks like straight line. That's why it is straight chisel. Here the end portion of the drill bit is in the shape of V. That's why we call it as V chisel. This is in the shape of T. That's why we call it as T chisel. Another chisel, the end portion will looks like X chisel. The entire drill bits, all the drill bits are manufactured on the basis of pressure. It creates the pressure wherever the hole is needed. It takes the drill bits or take the power from the machine or engine and it will be transferred to the ground. Because of the power due to the chipping action or in the short span of time, number of blows will be given by means of drill bits. The area breaking of that area takes place. Thereby hole will form. The end portion of the drill bit, the area will be reduced as pressure is equal to force by area. What happens if the area is lessened? What happens? Ultimately the pressure will be high. Because of force is the same, if the area is lessened, what happens? The pressure is equal to force by area. So the pressure will be high. Due to the high pressure, breaking of rock takes place. Breaking of rock takes place. This is the another one is drill rod. From the motor, from the motor, the power is transmitted to the drill bit by means of drill rods. Drill rods are made up of nickel chromium carbide steel rigid hollow rods. Rigid or hollow rods. One generally aluminum rods are also used for drill rods because its weight of the rod is very less, nearly 1/3 of the iron rods. So whenever the it is very easy to install the drill rods or screw or unscrew the drill rods. Aluminum as well as nickel, chromium, carbide, steel drill rods are also used. It has one end. You are seeing the drill rods. These are the drill rods, hollow drill rods. You are seeing the hollow drill rods. One end. These are having one hand it has female screw, other hand it has male screw. One is attached to the other with the help of screwing. And as long as how much the depth you require may be, it will be possible by attaching the drill rods. This is drill rod. This is drill rod. Actually drill rods, so many drill rods are required. It depends upon the depth. In carbide steel drill rods also, at the ends it is made up of nickel chromium, where the wear and tear is more. Nickel chromium drill rods are used, or they are very resistive to the wearing. These are very resistive to the wearing. The another tool required for is derrick. We call it is also tripod. It has normally once upon a time where the steel is not available easily for manual drilling, high wood material are used. Three or four, it is having a tripod is having 3 legs. Some of the times 4 legs are also used. It is made up of steel or wood. I would like to show here. You are seeing the tripod. These two are the legs. Another leg will be in other side. From the top of the derrick, a wheel will be provided. From that, a rope is drawn. A pulley is at the other end of rods held together with a rod inserted through them, having pulley at the top. A pulley will be there at the top of the tripod. From there, drill rods are attached to the pulley. So derrick is used to act as a supporter or structure. Derrick is used as a supporter or structure. In olden days, wood is also used as the legs of tripod. As a tripod means it has 3 legs. Some of the times for stability purposes 4 legs are also used. Hand winch or power winch. This is nothing but a drum to coil and uncoil the rope which is used for drilling or pulling. Generally, winches are either by manually or power winches. Power winches are whenever the high amount of rope is to be coiled, then we will go for power winches. It has a drum and each side a pair of hands, and it will be supported on a basement. Either two persons will be there, they will coil and uncoil the rope. In case of mechanized coiling, a motor will be attached to the winch with the help of gears, or in case of manual, the handles are used to coil and uncoil the rope. A pair of handles will be there. The handles by power with the gearing. The winch facilitates handling the drill rod column with the steel pipe. Steel pipes are due to lifting the steel pipe, or coiling of rope will take place. To leave the drill rods into the hole, uncoiling of rope takes place. The another most important one is clamp. This is one of the important device needed for drilling. Fixed wedge, main wedge, this is screw rod, this is frame. If you are screw or unscrew, this main wedge will go forward and backward. Here you are seeing a circular hole. A bulldog safety clamp is a device used for facilitating for screwing and unscrewing by holding the drill rods while adding or withdrawing the rods during drilling. If one drill rod at the end, the drill bit is attached, and drill bit to the drill bit, if one drill rod is attached, and if it is strikes at the same point, what happens? The hole is formed. After the depth of one drill rod, generally it is 1.5 to 3 meters. Suppose if 1.5 meters drill rods are used, if after completion of 1.5 meters drill rods, we are supposed to attach another 1.5 meter drill rod with the male and female screw. What happens after completion of 3 meters, another drill rod also needed to attach for drilling further. If it is goes on, what happens? Suppose 15 meters drilling, after completion of 15 meter drilling, what happens? Nearly 10 rods are attached. If you attach 10 rods, then only you will get 10 meters of 15 meters of drill hole. While removing the drill rods, what happens? If you want to remove the first drill rod, you have to lift the entire 10 rods. Okay. If you want to remove the first drill rod, the entire 9 drill rods has to be lifted and hold at the in the hole. If you are not holding the entire 9 rods, what happens? If you remove the first drill rod, the entire 9 rods will fall into the drill hole. You cannot remove from the drill bit, from the hole, because they fall into the hole. To hold the entire 9 rods while removing it, if the drill bit is circular in shape, bulldog safety clamp is used. Otherwise, if it is square shape, you need not to use bulldog safety clamp. There is another accessory is required, which is called retaining key. So here, this is one bulldog, we call it as bulldog safety clamp. If this bulldog safety clamp, it has 2 wedges. One is fixed wedge. This will not move. Another one is moving edge. It will be attached with the screw rod to the frame. This screw will be, if you screw or unscrew, this moving edge will move forward and backward. Here a circular hole is there. This is almost equal to the diameter of the drill rod. If the drill rod is placed between the circular shape place, and if it is screwed, the moving edge will go and catch the pipe or drill rod. This is the mechanism behind the bulldog safety clamp. This is most of the times, if you want to hold the circular pipes, what type of safety clamp is, what type of accessory is used to hold the circular shape pipes. It is one of the most probably asked bit in ESET. This is bulldog. You see, once again, this entire accessory will be called as bulldog safety clamp. This clamp is used to hold the circular pipes, circular shape drill rods while screwing and unscrewing from the drill hole. Otherwise, the entire length of the drill rod will fall into the drill hole. This is bulldog safety clamp. The another important one is, if the drill rods are in the shape of circular shape, then we go for bulldog safety clamp. If it is not in circular shape, or if it is rectangular shape or square shape, a retaining key is used. This is the retaining key. Generally, the handle will be very lengthy. This is nothing but a spanner type. This is the cross section of the drill rod. This is the cross section of the drill rod. while same the entire work of the bulldog safety clamp is retaining key is same. Whereas bulldog safety clamp is used for circular drill rods, whereas square type drill rods are used with the retaining key. These two are the most probable questions in ESET also. The another one important one is water swivel. It is coupling device of hose pipe to the drill rod. It consists of a ball and socket type joint for admitting water from hose to drill rod column without any leakage during their rotation. A swivel, there are so many types of joints are there. Ball and socket joint, swivel joint. Here the water pipe it will rotate. The pipe which is used for water it rotates, but it prevent the leakage of the water from the pipe through the drill rods. There are other accessories are also there. They will be discussed in the next class. Once again, I would like to recap all these things. In the previous class, we discussed the classification of drilling methods. Here from in the today's class, application of percussive method. Generally it is up to 150 mm diameter, depth 30 meter holes without core in case of manual, up to 100 meters in case of drill bits. If it is used rope, 300 meters up to 300 meters percussive method of drilling is used. All this drilling method is not suitable. This drilling method is not suitable for getting the cores. If you want to get the cores, there is no option. Only the method is rotary method of drilling. The only method is rotary method of drilling with the hollow type of drill bit, that is diamond drill bit only. So in the entire percussive method of drilling, you cannot get the cores. But if it is rope, up to 300 meters can be possible to drill. If it is drill rods by mechanized method, 100 meters. If it is manual method, only 30 meters, as well as the diameter, if it is manual method, up to 150 meters. If mechanized method, the diameter of the hole suitable is 150 mm to 300 mm diameters. Percussive drilling, it is because of to and fro motion or striking of the drill bit on the ground. Tools and accessories: drill bits, drill rods. Tools and accessories: drill bits. Lot of tools are used, accessories are used. Accessories are used for drilling. Those are drill bits, drill rods, tripod by tie rig, hand winch by power winch. Winch is nothing but a drum. bulldog safety clamp, retaining key. The remaining accessories will be discussed in the next class. Will be discussed in the next class. Brace head, a pair of handles, water swivel, sludger, stirrup, crossput, rocking lever and walking beam, reciprocating pump with the settling tanks. And these are the bits used. These are the drill rods and its coupling. It has male and female screw. One end is having male screw, another end is having female screw. This is bearing. This is hand winch. Most important accessory which is used to hold the circular shape drill rods with the help of bulldog safety clamp. If it is square shape, retaining key is used to hold or unscrew the drill rods. I hope you understand well about the various accessories used in drilling methods.